Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to explain you one of my cash market trade that I took recently. The stock is Ares, or Ares. I don't know how to pronounce it. I deployed around 30 lakhs in this, and I made an ROI of 20%. So 6 lakhs profit probably in just 2 weeks. Two great trades. One is Madras Fertilizer, which is the last video, and another is Ares. In total, I made around 56 lakhs, I guess. So in these two trades, let me just explain you the techniques and the reason behind why I took this trade and why it skyrocketed. Before that, please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you one of this beautiful trade which we took recently. If you look at this, there has been a very good support in this trend line. This is a good pattern, and even at the top, if you notice, there is kind of a resistance here. If you look at the weekly, it is a decent breakout, correct? So I kind of noticed this pattern. Let me just adjust it like this. So I kind of noticed this pattern after the breakout, I guess, exactly. So yeah, this is when I posted it on our community as well. As usual, a lot of people made money, booked almost, okay, this is Madras Fertilizer, so booked almost 7%, 13%, 12%, 17%, which was probably his first trade. Booked 40% in holding. Okay, so 10%. Can we enter once the market shows stability? Let me show you the entry. The entry is 150 and the exit is kind of 180. So 30 lakhs deployed, 6 lakhs profit, 20% ROI. So 150 is the place, right? So this is bad, but 150, I think somewhere around here. Okay, so but there could have been the entry could have been a little bit better, because if you just adjust it a little bit in daily, so if you notice, this is a very good weekly close. Okay, so for anyone asking if this is a Morningstar pattern, no, Morningstar pattern is after the downtrend. So this is clearly not a downtrend but a consolidation. So basically you just have to think it like in a price action way. So if you look at this is a huge buyer dominance, correct? After a consolidation, when there is a huge buying, which means the buyers are dominating, right? So you could you need not name it or coin a name for such patterns. So this could have been a better entry after this weekly close, and the stop loss could have been this, and probably exit should have been this. Instead, what I did, I entered at 150 area, which is around this area. Okay, and I put my stop loss below this weekly candle, which was quite risky. Okay, because it could consolidate and hit my stop loss. So the better entry would be here, and see, the small things could make a huge difference, and the best possible entry would be this, but again, we never know, right? So there is a 50% chance that it could break down as well. So yeah, it's not wrong again. Okay, so but when you take the breakout, it is always a good confirmation. The probability is much higher, correct? So nothing is wrong. Taking a trade just because it is at the bottom, it's not wrong. It still has a 50% probability, right? But the advantage you have here is that the stop loss will be very small and the reward would be huge. It's all about what you prefer. You prefer entering sooner with small stop loss or later with huge stop loss, correct? It all depends on what you want. So basically I exited right after 179 area, somewhere around 179 to 180 area as an average. I did not exit in one go, as is just like what I did in Madras Fertilizer. Kind of did the same thing, like some I exited here, some I exited here, and then this candle also I exited. So it was not very hard to exit certain stocks. Even if I deploy like some 15-20 lakhs, some stocks are very difficult to exit. So be it Madras Fertilizer and Ares, I didn't find much difficulties in entry or exit, so which is a good thing. So these days, this is the difficulty that I face in small cap and mid cap. That if I allocate a huge capital, it's quite hard. To enter and exit. The problem is some people are like, no, I'm making the stock fly or something like that. No, let me tell you what exactly happens when I allocate a huge capital in a small cap or mid cap. So this is what happens. I mean, I'm talking about some stocks. Okay, not every mid cap is like this. Some illiquid or the stocks that are not very volatile, this happens. So basically, let's say I'm entering at 100 and I put an order. What happens is the price will jump, okay, and then I'll put another offer, bid, and again the price will jump, and I have to increase the limit price to the current price, and then some orders will be filled, and again it will go to 1-3. Let's say I start at 100. Okay, by the time I'm done with my orders, it will reach 105, and then after 1 hour it will come back to 100. So that's the problem. It's I feel that there is some movement after my purchase, but again it is not like it will continue the momentum or something like that. After my purchase, what happens is it will start to consolidate and go back to the same price, which is kind of annoying, right? So I have to learn how to effectively do this. I'm still learning. Found few ways to bypass this. Back then, like last year and all, I used to go in one big order, which was a huge mistake. These days I'm doing it in a different way. Fortunately, I did not have to face such problems in Aries and Madras Fertilizers, which is a good sign. Let's see how it goes, guys. So yeah, this is a very good trade, the Madras Fertilizer and Aries. The most important thing is that the returns that you make in such a short time, that is very important, because sometimes the stock that I hold, it takes a very long time to reach the target, and it's kind of frustrating, right? And that is why I consider the last two trade that I took is very good. And that would be all. I hope you learned something from this video. I'm sure these informations are not even available in some paid courses. If you are ready to learn from my courses, you will learn more than this. And the weekly is not looking good, to be honest. I don't think there is an opportunity, because the weekly candle is not good. But what could happen is it can consolidate for at least 2-3 months, and then we can see if there is another pattern. Then we have to take the trade after the breakout or something. So this trade is finished. There is a simple entry opportunity, exit opportunity was also there. That's it, done. There is no more trade, to be honest. Probably we'll have to wait and see.
And also guys, there is a huge offer going on all the courses, so please make sure to use the code mentioned in this images. If you want to invest in yourself and if you want to get better in 2023, I highly recommend all the courses. I'm sure you will get all the benefits out of this course. So one rupee that you pay me, you will get at least 5 to 10 rupees. So that I can guarantee you. Just join, learn from the course, and be a part of the community and learn practically everything. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon.